In this video, we're going to be learning how to remove the password of your Shopify store. Many a times while trying to preview your website on a different web browser or device, you will be able to see a page such as this and you will not be able to see the actual site. So if you want to preview how this site looks, you actually need to put in a password. So how to remove this password in the first place? What we are going to do is that we are going to head over into our Shopify website. We're going to go into the backend. We are going to go into the online store, click on it, and then we're going to scroll into preferences. Then you're going to be able to see an option called password protection. Let's go ahead and just remove this. Then click on save. It'll give you a warning such as this. Just click on remove. And now let's try reloading this page. Okay, so now as you can see, the site is working and you are able to see it, and Shopify is not asking you for a password. So that is how you remove a Shopify store password. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.